Hello everybody, my name is Bad Jotun, and welcome to Quarantine Zone, the last check. I could have sworn it was the last checkpoint. So, this is a game, sort of like Papers, Please, and what was that other one called? The Russian one. What was that one? I can't remember what that was called. So welcome to Quarantine Zone. I played the demo for this a while ago. I've been following the... Nope. Regard the game's presents.
Ah, finally awake, Commander. Thought you were dreaming of a vacation on some sunny beach. Not the best fantasy these days, huh? Anyway, welcome back to reality. We're almost there. Checkpoint Alpha. They've been holding out, but they need reinforcements. That means us. Alright, get ready. You're dropping in 20. And Commander, watch your step out there. It's not just the dead you gotta worry about.
Okay, welcome to Quarantine Zone. So, this is as I was saying before the cutscene, this game is I've been following the development for ages. I played the demo. It was really, really good. Like, incredibly good. Right.
Sleep well, Grunt? It's your first day, so I'll go easy on you. Our job's to make damn sure the plague doesn't crawl into the camp. Get yourself to the checkpoint. Start with the basics.
Oh, these visuals are actually pretty good. You know, I gotta say. Yeah.
He actually showed up. You guys owe me $10.
Wow.
Nothing
yeah.
personal. It's just, we're stuck in Groundhog Day out here. Just trying to, you know, not go crazy. Okay, so it's simple, really. Just shout, "Next," and the guys will let the survivor in.
Next.
Next.
First, do a simple inspection.
Secure.
Take the flashlight from the table.
Okay. You've got red eyes. It's like that's probably bruising.
Take your time. Match what you see against the symptom chart. The devil's in the details. Identify the particular ailment and click Symptom Logged. If you mark most symptoms correctly, you'll get a reward. Once you've recorded the symptoms, it's time to decide their fate. Let's switch to the Distribution tab. Still not sure? No worries. Just send them into quarantine. Let them sit for a few days, and the virus will reveal itself. Like a friend of mine used to say, can't piss in the gas tank. I'm not sure what he meant exactly, but your choice may have consequences for the whole camp. If you let the wrong one in, pretty face, pleading eyes, it'll come back to bite more than just you in the ass.
The checkpoint comprises multiple zones which are function. Checkpoints field outposts are solutions and survivors here to investigate unknown symptoms. Temporary accommodation for the helpless and non-infected survivors, residential box away evacuation, and isolation treatment to survivors. Coordinate symptoms. Isolation for infected survivors when there is no cure for the virus. Liquidation is a painful nurse. You can say once you send a survivor a liquidation, its decision cannot be reversed.
This has to be a mistake.
Right.
Don't make me wait.
What's the point of all this? We're all dead already.
Look alright.
In 4 days, we will be evacuating the survivors' block. The top brass will be very upset with us if we don't move adequate number of healthy people. Carefully examine the survivors in the line, and send the unaffected onto the block.
She doesn't remember her name.
What's the point?
Okay, there we go.
Next survivor.
Next survivor. Ooh, you got rid of. And you got a bite mark. Oh, you are. Bite mark. Yeah, ooh, you're not. Wow, they've added a lot more stuff. X-rays. Before it was appearance. Thermopulsometer, stethoscope. Objects, and then.
I'm so tired of this.
Move it.
Next.
You're not going to detain me, right? At least it seems to have more guards.
Come on.
Get man! Okay, so
What are you doing? Is this really necessary?
Looks like you've got
You are in a quarantine zone.
yellow
Stay calm
eyes.
and wait for your turn.
Freckles.
Remove your
What is
outer
bloody
clothing,
marks,
hats,
sir?
glasses, and gloves.
Possible
Prepare
bruises,
your
maybe?
belongings for inspection.
Let me just check around, hold on. Bit of a bite mark on your leg or anything like that. I have no idea how they got a bite mark on their foreheads. I'm gonna put you in quarantine.
I feel fine, please. Don't
That's
do
it.
This.
Not that hard, right? Also, can you try to avoid excessive executions, please? We'd like to keep our jobs.
Sir.
Right. Day one done. So it's just a beginning. Gonna hit me with the big snores. Me 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 me. All right, okay, I'm up. Perfect inspection. Nice. Government support, verified size, infected, eliminated, maintenance.
Wake up, soldier. March yourself to quarantine and check the survivor before he drops.
Inspect the quarantine survivors every day since the survivors healthy. Infected survivors become zombies must keep quarantine when they're
Well, look at this one.
Identification
All rosy
verified.
cheeked. On government
Quarantine
rations,
status
no less.
Stable.
What's your
No
call,
incidents
soldier?
reported.
Infected or not? Hell if I know. Inspect again, then pick an assignment.
Right, let's have a look at you.
What happens if you find something? What will you do to me?
You got bruise, right. You have bruising still, but yeah, you're fine.
Looks safe to me. Send him to the living block. Word to the wise, rookie. If you can...
I'll be okay, right?
Now get over to Georgie.
Are you sure?
He's got a little toy for you.
I already went through quarantine once. I passed.
You got blue lips. Right, you go back in there.
You can't do this. Please.
What you
The
got for me?
infected typically exhibit elevated pulse rates, with body temperature rising significantly above normal levels. This device will help you detect infection when there aren't enough visible symptoms. Give it a try.
Pulse temperature sign indicates infection. Use the thermal pulsometer to check the vital signs. Sticking or heat can be signs of an elevated temperature or pulse. Well, did you just flip me off? Cheeky bugger.
My kids made it through yesterday. I just need to join them.
136. It's the blood I'm more concerned about, really. I'm gonna give you one more day in quarantine. just to be
In
able to
time,
self-select.
you'll get more tools to help you spot the symptoms. The disease evolves, but so do we.
Remove your outer clothing. Hat
I feel okay.
and gloves.
I promise.
Prepare your belongings for inspection.
Oh. 41, 161. Hold on. Give it a second. Yeah, it's over 41, 158. Right, well, you're infected then.
I trust you guys, but this
Move it.
feels wrong.
Next.
Please. I'm just tired. Not sick.
Oh, your temperature tells something else. What was your pulse again? Bless you. 145. Alright, well you're infected, so
You're scaring me. Where am I going?
Come on.
next.
Let's just get this over with.
Okay. I'm gonna put you in quarantine.
You've got to be kidding me.
Next survivor.
Please don't scan me with that. I've heard stories.
Oh, that's fine, Mark. I don't even need to do all.
There? I heard that correctly?
Whoops. Poor inspection.
Next.
So if you don't do it thoroughly, you get punished. It's fucking crazy Dave. What the fuck? Any bite marks? You still got your brains, crazy Dave? That's brilliant. Oh, well, that's a really nice Easter egg. Alright, yeah, he's fine.
Move it.
We must save Crazy Dave.
I'm so sorry for the trouble. Please, just let me pass.
You are in a quarantine zone. Stay calm and wait for your turn. Remove your outer clothing, hats, glasses, and gloves. Prepare
Yellow
your belongings for
eyes.
inspection.
What's his green? It'd be bruises, probably. Yeah, you seem alright. Temperature is fine.
Sorry. I wasn't expecting this.
Alright. All of them done for today, and then I can check back on the others tomorrow and see if we turn into zombies. Alright, sleep. Fucking crazy, Dave. Jesus Christ.
External
Oh.
infected rushing the perimeter. Prevent breach. External infected rushing
No,
the
I
perimeter.
remember
Prevent
from the
breach.
demo. This was really cool. Yeah, drone. Bombs, rockets, airstrike. Basically, it reminds me a lot of World War Z. Oh yeah, get some! Ooh, okay, that's setting all up, that's not good. question is how does a 105mm cannon get on the drone? Wave 2, here we go. Oh, big guys. Yay, victory. Nice. Right, day 3. Maintenance, eliminated defense.
Hell of a night. Even made me hungry. Remember, the better a man eats, the longer he can fight. As for civilians, they don't last long without food either. Make sure everyone gets fed.
Switch to basement to monitor camping supplies, resources. Ah, cool. This wasn't available. In addition to inspection, it's responsible for the overall management of the checkpoint. This includes survivors, provisions, power, and buildings. Survivors and provisions go hand in hand. More survivors you have in the block, the more food they'll need. Buildings, however, meet the needs of the survivors and demands of our mission. You need to upgrade, build and upgrade to increase housing, storage, and defenses. Power is the lifeblood. Checkpoint, regularly check on the generator, make sure there's enough fuel and that the total power consumption of the buildings does not exceed the generator building's output.
Everything has its price. Don't spread things too thin. Now you know how to restock the mess hall. Keep the food coming, or everything goes to hell. But the food supply isn't the only thing you need to monitor.
Responsible for providing free critical resources for survivors' bed. Designated spot to contain adequate daily food rations. Fair to meet needs as immediate consequences. For essential resources lacking, conditions will deteriorate. Survivors who fall ill can be restored to health with medkits. This treatment is essential for maintaining a robust checkpoint. A healthy survivor will become sick. A sick survivor will die. Run out medkits, purchase more from the base management screen. Right, I got medkits now. Buy fuel. Zone level is required. Security tower. Tents. How do I get to zone level 2 then? Do I just have to continue playing the game or something like that? See what they had in the demo was you went in here and you grabbed a trolley in the demo. You grabbed a trolley and you walked the supplies over the trolley, and I thought that was really cool, but shame they've not kept that. Alright, first of all, let's have a look.
Identification verified. Quarantine status stable. No incidents reported.
I'll tell you what I'll do is I will do these lot
Don't
first.
make me wait.
You have to believe me.
Quarantine zone. Stay calm and wait for your turn. Remove your outer clothing, hats, glasses, and gloves. Prepare your belongings for inspection.
Yeah, seems to be alright. Regular, he's got freckles. I thought, would these be regarded as skin cuts or just blood on the face? That's the thing. They don't look like cuts, so...
You're a hero. Thank you.
Next survivor.
Did you hear that? Someone's watching us, I know it.
38. Call it 38, 60. Yeah, his eyes are a bit red. Seems alright from what I can see, but that's enough to send him into quarantine, so...
No, you don't understand.
Right, I need to clear out
Identification
quarantine.
verified. Quarantine status stable. No incidents reported.
Please. I'm just tired. Not sick.
Alright, you seem to be fine, I'm not.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You. Oh, you've still got.
Hello?
38. Coming close to 40 there. You've got. Well, for starters, you've got conjunctivitis. You're 140. Temperature's still high, you're gonna have to stay in quarantine.
At least it's not a death sentence.
Not yet.
Move
Next.
You are in a quarantine zone.
Did you hear that?
And wait for your turn.
Someone's watching us, I know it.
Remove your outer clothing, hats, glasses, and gloves. Prepare your belongings for inspection.
See, his temperature is fine, but his pulse is... Wait, his pulse is really high. Jesus. 170? Let's just watch it a little bit. Yeah, your pulse is really high. Alright, you quarantine.
You can't do this, please!
How's that a poor inspection? Come on. Alright. Next.
I didn't do anything wrong, I swear.
I'll be the judge of that. Any... What is that? Is that just dirt on the arms? Oh! Big old bite mark right there. Big old bite mark. Yeah, you're definitely infected. Your temperature's through the roof. Temperature, bite mark, conjunctivitis. Yeah, you're gone. Yeah.
There? I heard that correctly?
Come on.
I'd give anything and everything to wake up from this nightmare.
Pulse is a little high. Temperature's fine. Not seeing any bite marks, nothing on the... Oh, bruising on the legs. But other than that, you're fine, so...
Thanks, I guess.
Don't make me wait.
I know the rules. I wouldn't be here if I wasn't okay.
40, 41. Right, well your temperature's way too high, so you're infected. Any bite marks? Not seeing anything on the legs, nothing on the arms. Yellow eyes, bruising. But your temperature's way too high. What about your pulse? Pulse is fine, but
You are in a quarantine zone. Stay calm and wait
Is this
for your turn.
another checkpoint?
Remove
Next
your
survivor.
Hats, glasses, and gloves.
Next.
Give me a
Prepare
second.
your belongings for
This is all
inspection.
too much.
$160. Just double check. Okay. I think those cuts. Could those be considered cuts? Or is that just dirt? Any bite marks? No. Okay, so I'm gonna actually say that's skin cuts as well. Liquidation.
What could be worse?
Right.
Identification verified. Quarantine status stable. No incidents reported.
Right, let's go back to bed. Sleep. Count sheep. Infected sent purchases, maintenance.
Damn it! Generator's dead. I told you to keep those fuel barrels sealed. They got damp. Refill the tanks and bring the power back online.
Generator consumes fuel constantly, method fuel levels. Consumes power upgrade, building consuming more power down, but it's 7 more power. Exceeding generators fuel out. Power up or running out for power outage, which checkpoint produces fuel, upgrade the generator to get the checkpoint up and running again. Best mode.
Say the magic words, let there be light, and throw the switch. Get a move on.
Do I actually? I think I have to go in there and flip it though.
Fine work, soldier. You've mastered the lever. Now let's see if you can handle something tougher. You always have people coming to the checkpoint. That means more bodies and more pressure. Don't let any straw break the camel's back. Time to upgrade our base. First, upgrade the base to level
Ah,
6.
she did turn.
Stable. Incident detected.
Oh, rip to those two. Burn! Yeah, that's a shame. Open the upgrade tab in your tablet. Oh, here we go. Upgrade to tier 2.
Easy as pie, but not so fast. Now we need to deal with the generator.
Return to base mode.
Select the generator.
Upgrade.
Give it some muscle. Don't get cocky, soldier. Everything in this camp requires power. More buildings and bigger facilities means more power. Nothing is free here.
I still liked how you could, you know, on the cart you could actually deliver the supplies rather than being automated, but I guess I'll say I guess the people voted for time. Right, are they out of food? Oh, got 40 bucks to my name. Right. Hey,
See
Joker.
this? It's usually used to test reflexes. The infected have slowed reactions. You'll notice the difference right away.
You are in a quarantine
No
zone.
need to reinvent the
Stay
wheel
calm and wait
or
for
hammer
your
on
turn.
this one.
Remove your
Personally,
outer clothing,
I'd like to see a
hats,
bat wrapped in
glasses,
barbed wire.
and gloves.
Ah, whatever. Just be
Prepare your
careful.
belongings
Don't
for
go cracking
inspection.
any skulls.
Solid dulled reflex seems to survive. Use the reflex hammer. Test survivors. Muscular response only uses on the arms and legs. Hit a survivor on the head or torso will hurt them. A slack jaw may indicate potential issue in muscular reflexes. Okay.
Next survivor.
Please. If you find something, lie.
Your mouth's open as well. Slack jaw. Ow. Is that supposed to happen? Taxi inspector after the hammer strike. Okay, well, you're going into quarantine.
What do you mean? Just
Oh,
precautions.
Oh, come on. Oh, wait, I forgot to check for fucking...
Come on.
Never mind.
Yes, sir.
38, 39. Okay, well, your temperature's way too high for starters, so... Okay, crossed reflex. Another sign of infection. Your temperature is elevated. What was your pulse like again? About 100 beats per minute. You also have red eyes as well. Yeah, it's pretty obvious. Degradation.
I'm so tired of this.
Move it.
Next.
What's the point of all this? We're all dead already.
Okay, pulse is fine, temperature's fine. Hammer time.
You are in a quarantine zone. Stay calm and
Okay,
wait for your turn.
seems to be alright.
Remove your outer clothing, hats, glasses, and gloves. Prepare your belongings for inspection.
Check around for any markings. No, seems alright. Eyes fine, jaw's fine.
I wonder if I'll know anybody in there.
Point, oh my god.
Don't make me wait.
How was that portal?
You can trust me. I'm healthy.
No, you're not. Shut up. First of all, you got red eyes. You've also got skin cuts on the side of your face. And on your leg. Alright. 182. $185.43. There we go.
Please,
Mac,
just tell me what's happening. Please, if you find something, lie. I can't go back.
160, 37, 538. Alright, time for the reflex hammer. Nothing. Okay, fine. We can quarantine.
You can't do this.
come on.
Please.
Next.
I was helping others out there. Look, no bites.
Yeah, well, look at that. You've got cross reflexes. And your jaws also slack as well. Temperature. Temperature and pulse are fine. Visual inspection. Oh no, it's just your hair, false cuts. Well, you look fine, but your cross reflexes tell me something else entirely. So.
You are in a quarantine zone. Stay calm and wait for your turn.
Looks secure.
Remove
Is it safe?
clothing, glasses and gloves.
I feel okay. I promise.
I will be the judge of that. Alright, well, from stars you got bruising. Stars you've got bruising on your right leg. Everything else seems fine. Temperature and pulse. One oh 636. Okay, that seems fine. Alright, reflex test. Oh, whoops. Sorry. Fine. 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 Yeah, you seem alright.
No pills. No! I forgot my meds.
What happens if I do this?
What?
You see Special 200 checkpoint staff member. Brilliant. Oh no, George, I'm sorry. It'd be funny if one of these guys was actually infected. So what goes on over here? I know this is liquidation, but no entry. Okay. Wait. The car! Oh my god! Oh my god! The car! Oh, I love the car. Garage. Yeah, garage. Really fucking drive vehicles. So what you do is you bring the car in here and then you go over to like, I don't know, like the shelves or something like that, and then you grab things off the shelves that you need to transfer. You put them on. Cool. Right, on to the next day. Day 5. Purchases, maintenance. Yeah, that's fine. Evacuation today. Okay.
Attention. Evacuation convoy identification verified. Quarantine status stable. No incidents reported.
My kids just made it through yesterday. I just need to join them.
Okay, it seems fine. Check your reflexes. Alright, you seem alright actually. You seem good to go, so I'm gonna send you there.
You're a hero. Thank you.
You're a bit sneezy.
Please. I've lost so much already.
Oh, there we go.
Make me turn
38.
back now.
38 AM. You've lost your elevated pulse. Let's run a check on your reflexes. Okay. Absent reflexes. I'll put you in. I'll put you in quarantine for the time being, and I'll see how you are at the end of the day.
I have kids in there. Please.
Don't make me wait.
I don't want to cause any trouble. Just let me through if I'm clear.
Well, you've got red eyes, so you're infected. Oh. Bye, Mark. That's 2. And just so I can get a good score, so let's check you. 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, temperature's over the limit. Increased pulse, deadly infectious temperature.
Come on.
Next.
What's the point of all this? We're all dead already.
Okay, that seems fine.
You are in a quarantine zone. Stay calm and wait for your turn. Remove your outer clothing, hats, glasses, and gloves. Prepare
Not seeing
your
anything
belongings
wrong,
for
or
inspection.
sneezing or anything like that.
Same shift, different day.
Next survivor.
Hey, buddy. Don't worry, I'm not sick. I just look like this.
Oh! I am just. Whoa! I am just. Why do you have skeleton hands? Why do you have a bag on your head? And I'm sorry for knocking you out, by the way. Oh yeah, I'm not infected. Yeah, I'm not infected for cross reflexes. Die. Oh, die, dev, die. That's lovely. Alright, well, for starters, you've got absent reflexes. So that's that. Temperature. Oh, there we go. I literally cannot see anything, so you are infected.
Ah, come on, buddy. I'm not sick. Don't send me to liquidation. Please. I thought we were friends.
Move it.
How do you know about liquidation?
Please. Just
Whoa!
check. You'll see I'm fine.
Incredibly high pulse, incredibly high temperature. You've also got a bite mark on your arm. Yeah. You getting that?
So,
Next.
where am I going now?
I can't.
Pulse, temperature, fine. Nothing on the body really. You've got a slack jaw though. Way. Okay, you are one of the hyper-aggressive reflex people. Yeah. Quarantine for you.
You've got to be kidding me.
Don't make me wait.
You are in a quarantine zone. Stay
You're not
calm
going
and
to
wait
detain me,
for your turn.
right?
Remove your outer clothing, hats, glasses, and gloves. Prepare your belongings for inspection.
Yeah, that's him within normal range. Visual inspection. Yeah, you look alright. You go in there. Oh, I am.
What's the
maxed out
death
on
rate in here?
Survival survivor's block. Ooh, that's cool. Scanner. Right, let's go base mode because I need to upgrade that. Food in the canteen 10, resupply max. Passively creates 8 units of food per day, 3 grand. That's good. Clinic. That would seem fine now.
Next survivor.
I know the rules. I wouldn't be here if I wasn't okay.
That actually makes it a lot easier. Orange and orange, so... You've also got cuts as well. So... Skin cuts, you've also got conjunctivitis. No bite marks, but you are going to quarantine, my friend.
I'll do anything. Just test me again.
I know the rules. I wouldn't be here if I wasn't okay.
Fine. You've got yellow eyes and bruising. Your jaw is slashed, just as you read. Yeah, that's fine.
You are a hero.
Come on.
What are you doing? Is this really necessary?
High pulsar temperature.
You are in a quarantine zone. Stay calm and wait for your turn. Remove your outer clothing, hats, glasses, and gloves.
Mud.
Prepare your belongings for inspection.
Yeah, I need to sort out some people in quarantine.
Identification verified. Quarantine status stable. No incidents reported.
Please. I have children. They're waiting for me.
Pulse is fine, your temperature is elevated. That's mud. Alright, I'm gonna make a gamble here. I'm gonna say you are fine.
Attention. Evacuation convoy arriving today.
And for you, I'm gonna put you in quarantine.
What do you mean, just precautions?
Beds don't grow on trees here, soldier. We can't keep people in the survivor's block forever. Evacuation's part of your job, too. These folks need to be moved out of the city.
Alright, let's have a look at evac then. Send survivors go to the science division to get more research points. Send survivors go to military for extra cash from vehicle. If you do not have enough survivors to send evacuation, you're jeopardizing the mission overall. Everyone has a role to play, survivors can't stay at checkpoint forever. Crazy they've sent them to military. Extra share. So I can either go for extra research or I'm gonna go for the extra cash. Oh no, I was missing one person. Crap. Okay. How do I...
Congrats on your first evac, buddy. Hope it went smoothly. The report will come tomorrow morning. Get some rest.
Is it just me, as the quality just dropped? Hold on. Alright, just reapply. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, okay. Alright. On to the next day.
Nice work, buddy. Remember, quotas are our main mission. If we fail them a couple of times and... let's just say they won't be sending us to quarantine. Anyway, we've got lots of work ahead of us. Come see me.
Okay, well, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more Quarantine Zone, please subscribe, like the video, and share. And I will catch you in the next episode. Goodbye.